Hi guys, it's FranTech again, and today we are about to learn a very interesting video on how to hide our caller ID. In other words, how to call someone with a private number or unknown caller information. That's you tend to call someone and then the person will neither see your number nor your name. See, but the person will only see an indication private number. See, that's it will be like the person is talking with a ghost or someone who he might know, but per the details on the call, on the incoming call on the other side, the person wouldn't identify the person or calling. You see, it's very, very simple. That's how to hide your caller ID. That's how to call someone with a private number. You see, so when calling, instead of the person to see your information as in your number or your name, this video, at the end of this video, you get to learn, you get to realize how to hide all these information from the other party. It's very, very simple. Then it's simple as we just calling some 4-digit code. See, some 4 digits. You're about to call some 4 digits. And this is what happens. What happens is that you're about to take you're about to create some 3 numbers. You see, you're about to create some 3 codes. You see, it should be 3 numbers. And you're about to call this 1333 code number you are talking about. And then on this call interface, the receiver or the machine will make us create a particular 4-digit code. See, so you just call this number 1333. See, and then upon calling this number, we will the machine will help us, will aid us to create a certain 4-digit code. See, certain 4-digit code. See, so you call this number, and then you follow the voice prompt, and then you go by the instructions from the machine, and then it will help us to create a 4-digit code, which will help us create this number is called the self-service from MTN self-service. So this is part of our main aim of hiding our caller ID. So you call this number 1333. You see, self-service. So you call it. You call this number. You call this number, and then
Yes, we Kehanga. That's the 49 over. 05. Kadeta Dagande.
so they are asking us to press some certain numbers to choose the language that we want. You see, so you go for the Ghanaian language Chi. That's the second one. So you choose the second one.
Yes, sure. But MTN mobile number.
So they are asking us to punch our mobile number. So you just punch it.
MTN number. What bono ye? 0 4 5 5 0 5 7 8 near 1. Sasudia. Near 2. Fafa number no.
So you just punch on one to confirm.
So what is our MTN self-service? Did you register our number no? Number PIN code at Waso. Yes, sure. Did you say yeah? I did it way so. Never register our number no. Yes, my brother. Say did you media for phobia the Kahuana? But what 4-digit PIN code for Frono?
So after punching all these numbers with our phone numbers and then all the confirmation codes, they are asking us to create the 4-digit code number that we are talking about. So let's choose any of a 4-digit code.
Yes, sir. Sign up for Frono. Nafasi Sudia.
So they are asking us to repeat the same number that we've punched.
Mia 1, Fasi Sudia. Mia 2, Fasa number no.
So you punch on 1 to confirm this 4-digit code.
Yamawakwa Baba MTN self-service. Baby, I would do SIM any mobile phone.
That's it. So
Search media and my register. And I said, we have MTN number. And my self-service recharge media baby. And my washer will PUK. Search media and what I'm winning now. Now what area and your forfeit in account. And yes, I'll be whom say, Jimedia, ya never who see Kabia.
So
Mia 1 for updating MTN PIN number. Mia 2 for dom. And I said, for you MTN number no. Mia 3, my self-service recharge. Mia 4, Senya PUK.
So now we've been able to create the 4-digit PIN code. So after calling this number 1333, we will ask us to choose a number for a language. You punch our number and you punch on 1 to confirm and you create the 4-digit number. So now we are done with all what we are supposed to do. We've created Now we've created the 4-digit PIN code. That's the 4-digit PIN code, and then now we've created it. So let's check the SMS to see whether they've sent us a confirmation or an activation SMS. See, so you go there, yeah, and then we are seeing this message. Congratulations, you have successfully subscribed to MTN self-service. So now we've been able to register our number for this self-service or for the main action, which will help us to call a different number with a private number, you see, or an unknown number, or in other words, to hide our caller ID from an outgoing call, you see. So now we've called the 133 and then we follow the voice prompt. So we've created this 4-digit code. So now this 4-digit code will help us to activate this service of private number. You see, to activate the service, the MTN cell service, or to activate the act of calling someone, and then they wouldn't be able to see your caller ID or your contact or anything pertaining to your call. You see, but what they will only see is private number. You see, so now we've been able to complete this short action or this short procedure of creating a 4-digit code. So this is the first procedure, to create a 4-digit code, and then the second one, the MTN self-service is the main step to go. That's to create a 4-digit code, and the second one, we are about to activate your clear service. See, so this activity of calling someone and then they wouldn't see your caller information, or calling someone with a private number, it's literally mean clear service. You see, it refers to clear service. See, so now we created a 4-digit code. So what do we do next? We've been able to create a 4-digit code. So we will send this to the same number 1333. Clear? So this is how we go. We will send this information. Please pay attention to this, to what I'm writing. Clear? And then we give space, and then we will add activate. Then we give space, and then we punch the 4-digit code that we created with the MTN with the self-service. You see, so we will punch, we will type clear, and we give space, and we type activate, and then we give space, and we add the 4-digit code that we created upon calling the 1333. You see, so our 4-digit code was 2222. So now, this is how we go about it. We will type clear, CLIR, and then we leave space, and we add activate, and then we leave space, and we add to the 4-digit code that we created upon calling the 1333. So 2222 was a 4-digit code that we used or we created with the clear service or self-service. So we will then punch on send. So we will send clear -activate the 4-digit code. So now this is the final step or procedure to go about activating the clear service. In other words, hiding your caller ID. In other words, calling someone so that they wouldn't be able to see your caller information. So we've sent this message to the self-service people, the 133 people. So let's wait for a while as they send a prompt to us. So after sending clear space activate space the 4-digit code, this is what we received from the system. It's saying your request is being processed. You will get an SMS notification when it is completed. But they again sent a different message saying, sorry, you do not have sufficient credit to request for clear or so clear service. Please recharge with Ghana 2 cedis or more to activate the service. This means that before you can activate this service, you must have credit more than 2 cedis in your account. You see, so in order to activate this service, you must have 2 cedis or more airtime on your phone before you can activate this service. You see, so due to that, you wouldn't be able to activate it. So we will then recharge our SMS so that we will know how to go about it. So we will go back to our normal home this, and then we recharge airtime or so you go here, then we will try to recharge our airtime. So after recharging, you resend the same context, that's a clear, that activates, that's the 4-digit code. Then after that, they will again send you this SMS. Your request is being processed. You will get an SMS notification when it's completed. After that, and then they will send you yellow, dear valued customer, you have successfully activated the clear or so clear service. You can now choose to block other people from viewing your number. See, so it's very, very simple. Now we are done with our procedure. See, so we must bear in mind that we must have airtime 2 cedis or more in our on our SIM or on our phone. You see, preferably we must have 3 cedis, 3 Ghana cedis credit on our phone because upon sending the message to them, they will deduct. So if it's exactly 2 cedis, we wouldn't be able to undertake this activity. So we must have credit, 3 cedis credit on the phone, because they will deduct 2 cedis, and then for our normal SMS with them, they will also deduct some from it. It's very, very simple. So now we are having a final message as yellow. Kindly note that Ghana cedi has been deducted from your account for clear or show clear service for December 2019. So it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So now we are going to the last procedure. After registering and then they activating the service for us, supposing you want to call someone, you must punch this number *31#. You see, so we call this number *31#. So this is what we are trying to mean. Punching this number will help you hide your caller ID. So after all these procedures, before you can call someone or before you can use the service, you must punch this number. You must call this number *31#, and then you call it. You see, this number will tend to hide your caller ID, your system caller ID, or your number caller ID. See, so that we can turn the service on and off. So to turn it off, or if you want to call someone with a private number, you point this number. Now we are seeing outgoing caller ID service was enabled. So now we have enabled the service, so we can call anyone at all, and then they wouldn't see our caller information. It's very, very simple. So after making the call and then you want to come back to your normal listing, you will then punch this number *31#. So after making the call that with the service, you punch this number *31#, and then you call it. You call that number too, and then we are seeing outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. So after making the call, and you again point *31#, and then you will see this outgoing caller ID enabled. You see, so this service has been disabled. It's very, very simple. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you've learned a lot in this video. Any questions are invited in the comments, and then I'll give clear explanations to them. I'll give clear explanations to each and every question that I see in my comments. You see, so anything not clear in this video, questions are invited in my comments. I'll take time to give answers to each and every question that I see in my comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video, like this video as well. Please don't forget also to subscribe to my Chi Tech channel, where I make helpful tech videos only in Chi. It's a very nice channel. It's called Tech in Chi. Bye bye, and a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So bye bye.